Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I received a parcel from ASOS. From ASOS Edit based on my style. So because you know that ASOS has a section that it's called Your Edit. It's based on your shopping habits. So we'll see what we got today. Or let's see if it's suitable for me or it's just too much. You know, I'm really excited. I got this parcel. It's so heavy. I think it might 6 pieces inside. Let's open it and definitely tell me if I should return 1 or 2 or 3 or both. Yeah, definitely tell me. Ooh, they gave me a voucher for this one. And this is the receipt. Let's see how many we got today. 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 pieces. Yeah, let's see this one. What's this? Oh, it's a t-shirt. Silver color. Material is like PVC. That's really big. This t-shirt is so big. And it's because the material is like more plastic. And so it might be hard to wear it in summer. Should I try it? Yes. The smell. There's a smell when I put my head into it. Yeah, it's like this. I think it's not that bad, but it's just this part is not really well made. I think this part is a bit, you know, makes it look like cheap because it's not well made. But the material is like really hot. Even I just put it on, I can feel the I can feel the hot here, and the temperature is going up, and I'm sitting under the sun. I don't recommend you to buy this one because it will be too hot for summer, especially when the sunlight is strong. Yeah, I don't recommend you buy this one. And the second piece I got here is a short. The short, I think it's also the kind of similar material, like the PVC material. Short, oh my god, it's gonna be so sexy. And I think it's not comfortable because inside its material is not soft. It's like plastic. Yeah, the material is not comfortable, but I wonder if it looks good on me. Let me try it. Can you guys see it? The size is too small, so because it's just really uncomfortable when I wear it. It's so uncomfortable. The size is too small. I feel like I'm wearing 2 plastic bags on my body. Oh my god. So let's see the next one. Hopefully I can get something normal. Oh my god, this one is shiny t-shirt. I think maybe because recently I bought some PVC products, so they think I must love PVC products, and so they send me a lot of PVC products. And this one is another shirt. It's shiny. The material is like, yeah, really shiny. What about this one? I think this one is not, because the material is really thin. It's really thin and soft. It feels more comfortable than that one. I think this one is okay, but in summer it will be hot. I'm not sure, should I keep this one? I mean, it's definitely good for pictures in this season but it will become summer soon. So should I keep this one or not? So the first piece is this joggers. Is sporty pants. I think this is kind of normal. It's black color. The material is quite nice and quite thick. And one thing I like of this design is the inside. Inside is like they have logo here, the letters, which is really cool. Even it's inside, I think it's so cool. What do you think? And there's side pocket here. You can put maybe some keys, card here, but you don't want to put too much heavy stuff inside. It will make your pants look ugly. I think I might keep this pair of pants. I think it's cool. It looks well with sneakers, with Louis Vuitton bags, with different kinds of clothing. And last item is a jacket. Finally, a normal one, a normal jacket. It's not PVC, it's denim jacket. Jacket is it's a mix of purple and red color. I think it's a word. It's called tie-dye. Yeah. So the color is really cool, and the fabric is really good quality. Especially for the ASOS price, I think the quality is okay. And let me try it. So let me put it on. What do you think? Let me put on my sunglasses. I think it looks much better, huh? Looks much better. With my Louis Vuitton bag. Yeah, I think it looks much better, and I recommend you buy this jacket. I think it's really comfortable. There's 2 pockets here and 2 pockets here, and also 2 pockets inside, so you can put a lot of things. You can put a lot of things in this jacket. I bought this one from Topman a week ago, and it's made in China. I think I can find the same glasses in China for less price. So yeah, this today's video. Which item would you buy, or which one do you think I should return? Please comment below. Definitely follow my Instagram and subscribe to my channel, because I have so much review video in the futures, and also the giveaways on Instagram and also on YouTube. So definitely follow me, definitely, and goodbye.